great to see everybody here. It's only been 2 years since we've been together last, and been much too long.
IMEC would like to thank all of our partners, the amazing IMEC team, dedicated board members, all those who champion manufacturing throughout Illinois, the team at NIST MEP and all the MEPs, the great manufacturing associations throughout the state, and most of all, Illinois manufacturers. You are at the heart of everything we do at IMEC. You have run with us for the last 25 years. We can't wait to see what we can achieve together in the next 25.
Illinois manufacturing is bold, innovative, and glorious. Acronym BIG, Illinois manufacturing is big.
Illinois manufacturing is all about strength.
Illinois manufacturing is people, products, and process.
Illinois manufacturing is dynamic, it's resilient, and it's powerful.
Illinois manufacturing is building our futures.
Illinois manufacturing is bringing communities together.
Illinois manufacturing is sparking new growth.
Illinois manufacturing is making an impact.
Illinois manufacturing is leading the way.
Illinois manufacturing is curious, honest, integrity.
Illinois manufacturing is on the move.
Illinois manufacturing is making great people.
The future of Illinois manufacturing is people. It's always about people. Now, as we look forward, people may be collaborating with robots and automation in order to be more efficient, but it starts and ends with people.
The future of Illinois manufacturing is very prosperous, very opportunistic, and very dynamic. There's a lot of opportunity to continue to move forward. There's going to be challenges, but that's where we can come in to assist with those, to help companies to continue to navigate an ever-changing landscape, providing solutions and improvements that help them to achieve their goals and objectives.
The future of Illinois manufacturing is all about automation.
The future of Illinois manufacturing is built on success, on hard work, drive, ambition, and a great couple more decades ahead.